Hello everyone, welcome back in my YouTube channel. Let's make another Christmas card. Today an advertisement popped up and it really inspired me to make a holiday season card. It was about a bedding set. I am in love with Scandinavian street use, so it was a joy to make this project. It took at about an hour, so you can see now 10 times faster than the original one because I didn't want to make a long video. Of course, you can slow it down through YouTube system. I have a die set of houses which I bought last year, and this was perfect for this scene. I used the taller houses, some trees and the stars. For the snowy street I used white shimmer card which was painted with a little brown ink. The brand Koresh has a corrector pen which is pigmented well. It is perfect for paint snow on the roofs. I used black brush pen for the dark windows and I cut out yellow rectangles with the original house cutting dies from yellow paper to create the ones with light. I hope you enjoyed the process. Thanks for supporting me by watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a wonderful winter holiday. Goodbye.